Hi. Here we have Imaginal Acts Become Facts by Neville Goddard. Now, I have this lecture in my videos. Right? If you go in there, you can watch the whole thing. It's 46 minutes. But this one part I wanted to zero in on, where he basically talks about you don't need to just take what life throws at you. You can order what you want. You can manifest what you want, as if ordering off of a menu in a restaurant or from a menu in a restaurant. So let's just listen to this clip.
You don't have to accept it. You're going to a restaurant, you don't say, bring me what the chef wants to get rid of tonight. Bring me a menu. And then you order. Maybe he only has that one order that you want. No one else wants it, but you want it. I go into a restaurant back in New York City a few years ago. It was early, I grant you. It was only 11 in the morning, but I had no breakfast. It was brunch. And I took some friends into the Hilton Hotel. And I went to this Bourbon room. Well, it was Sunday, and I don't dress up for Sunday. I went in with an open shirt. Well, New York hasn't quite caught on to California when it comes to wear. And so the head waiter, all stuffy, and he said, button up. And this very, very heavy accent. Well, I have an accent too, so I couldn't criticize him. But here he is with this very, very heavy accent, and he's criticizing my appearance because I had on a jacket, yes, but my shirt was open at the neck. And I'm taking 5 people in to brunch. So I buttoned up the collar, and he gave me a table off the wing, not to be seen by those who were coming with ties and shirts. And then I said, all right, I want clams. The waiter, when the waiter took my order, clams. I said, yes, I want clams. I don't want bacon and eggs, and I don't want the usual breakfast that you think you're going to serve everyone. I want clams for breakfast. Bring me clams. So he delayed and delayed, and finally he brought the clams. And I said, come back here, please. This isn't charity. I'm paying for it. Bring me, I want some horseradish, and I want a little Tabasco sauce. Reluctantly, he goes and he gets that. But that's what I wanted. I'm paying for it. Well, in life, do the same thing. You just don't go in and say, throw me a tie. You select one from maybe 100. A silly little thing that you put around your neck. But you still want one tie, and you want to pick it up. The same thing is true of these states. Don't let anyone poison you and throw you into a state, because you're going to pay the price of that state. We're only moving through states, but they are a permanent, fixed number of states, and the Bible records them. Every character in that Bible is a state.
Okay, so you can listen to the entire lecture if you want. Go into my video list, you'll see the title. But this is exactly what we're talking about. Neville says, don't just take what life throws at you. Don't just give some vague, idea of what you want. Be specific about what you want and order it as if ordering it from a menu. And he also says, don't let other people throw you into, other states, negative states. Don't react to the 3D, which will just, it'll sidetrack you. It'll mess with your manifestation, so to speak. He says it all right there, just by telling this simple story of when he took some people to brunch at a restaurant. Brilliant. It's a brilliant little story, and it's so easy to remember. And there you have it, straight from Neville. So you can go back and re-listen to this if you want, until it really sinks in. Listen to it 10 or 20 times if you need to, until it sinks in, because it's brilliant the way he puts it, and it's so simple, right? Manifest what you want, be specific about what you want, and don't let circumstances or people in the 3D sidetrack you. Don't react to them. Don't let them throw you into the state you don't want to be in. So I hope this helps. I hope this is useful. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.